Hello children, good morning. Today we are here to discuss a new topic, a new chapter called as Unit 7 Coal and Petroleum from 8th class. These products, coal and petroleum, they are exhaustible sources. Before going into this particular term, let me go with a general introduction. The science which deals with materials, we are having different types of materials there, natural material as well as artificial material. The science which deals about material is called as material science. It is called as nothing but what? A material science, a branch of science which deals with the material. With what material we are doing it? Why this particular material is needed? This material will be of two types. One is natural material as well as artificial materials. Why? These materials are required for human for basic needs. For basic needs to have a food, these are all materials existing for humans for basic needs. What are those materials? The food what we eat, clothes what we wear, as well as the shelter where we live, as well as to travel from one place to another place. What are things we require? All those materials which are needed for a human can be exist in two different ways, that is natural material as well as man-made material by doing certain efforts. The process of science in which science and technology, the process of science and technology as to extract these all materials, there will be a progress in science and technology which yields new products, different types of products can be invited there itself. They will be get invited as years pass on. As years goes on, different types of materials can be came into exist. They came into exist in our livelihood. In our livelihood. How it happened? How it happened? So to understand that particular one, before 10 years ago, if I go for 10 years ago, the material what we can find out most probably is what? Wood as well as metals like iron, gold as well as silver. If I go for again what material are made, so many metals have been derived before 10 years back ago. If you go it wood will be there, metals will be there, so many different types of metals are there. Not only that one, plastic material also is existing there. But if you go for it from 10 years to 50 years back, if you go it among all these materials, so many things have been they have been invited or discovered, such as electricity, etc. So on, electricity, wood, metal, as well as all different types of metals we had. Not only that one, electricity or different types of particles are been existing in 10 years ago if you go it up. But if you go into 50 years past there itself, we can see only a few things will be not existing, such as what wood used to be there, as well as some metals, not all the metals what we are seeing nowadays. Those all metals are not existing, but few metals used to be exist, such as iron, gold, as well as silver. as well as silver used to be there. These are the articles used to be there before 50 years ago. If you go much more fast, much more back, if you are going it up, 500 years ago, if you are going it up, we used to find so many things. They used to be there in the earth crust itself, within this particular atmosphere, such as coal, charcoal, wood, metals, as well as crude oil existing in the bottom of the earth, which are existing in the form of fossils. They are now utilizing there itself. Nowadays we are utilizing those all things. These all things can be existing in the universe. By this we understood clearly that the materials which helps us for food purpose, as well as for clothing purpose, as well as for shelter purpose, can be existing. The dealing of a branch of science which deals about such type of materials are called as nothing but what material science we can call it up. That is general introduction about coal and petroleum there within that particular chapter. Next topic is what? Activity 1. Here they have given 3 different types of activities as well. Articles have been given there itself, or items. What else we are using it up? There itself. A. Certain time has been there, past there. If you go for articles in B, 30 to 40 years. If you go for here, the list of articles have been given, or else the things what else we are using in our daily appliances. Before 30 to 40 years ago, they were at present, what are the articles existing there itself? First of all, containers for storage of pickles. To storage pickle in our home. In olden days, 30 to 40 years, at that time, if you ask for our grandparents, they give information there itself. They used to store pickles in clay jars. They used to store in pickles in what jars? Clay jars. They used to be stored. And nowadays, if you go it up, we are having different types of things such as plastic jars as well as glass jars are also existing there, in which we can store pickles. Today. When it comes to next one is what? Food packing. If you want to travel from one place to other place, food packing has to be done with certain articles. Aluminium pots, aluminum tiffins used to be there, or else in pots. They used to collect the particular food and they used to go to the fields. After completion of the particular work, they used to eat it up. Similarly, collection can be done in what? Aluminium tiffins used to be there itself. Not only that one, in small pots also they used to carry the food. But whereas nowadays, all plastic boxes as well as stainless steel boxes also, and nowadays we can see it up in which we can pack food. We can pack food. Not only that one, polythene covers also nowadays we are seeing it up in which we are packing food. That is regarding food packing there. Coming to hair combs, if you go for hair combs, in olden days they used to be there by using wood. By using wood they used to prepare hair combs. Not only that one, by using the bones of animals, and also we used to prepare what? Hair combs. When it comes to nowadays, by using plastic material, different types of shapes of hair combs can be done by using plastic material there. That is regarding hair comb. Next one is what? Vessels for cooking purpose. In olden days, how they used to cook food? They used to cook food in copper vessels, or else aluminium vessels, or else in pots they used to cook food. Nowadays, if you go it stainless steel vessels are there. Stainless steel vessels are there. Micro ovens are there. Not only that one, by using electricity nowadays, heaters we got, we are having certain food devices, we prepare it up. What we can call that one as, by using electricity also we can prepare food. Therefore, what happened there itself, those all are the vessels they used to be for cooking purpose there. Fuel used to cook. In those days, the major fuel used to be cooked is what? Wood only. or else coal or kerosene they used to heat up to cook the food. But whereas nowadays kerosene stuff used to be there. By using kerosene they used to cook the food. By using coal they used to cook the food. By using wood they used to cook the food. 32 years back past. If you go for nowadays, by using gas cylinders, by using electricity, by using induction stoves, also they are cooking food. By using solar radiation also nowadays they are cooking food. These are nothing but what today's articles in what way we are using it up. Similarly, fuel used to run trains. To run trains in olden days, the main thing is what? Coal as well as a steam engine. Steam engine used to be worked upon a principle called as nothing but what? Coal. A material called as what? Coal. Nowadays we are using fuel substance called as diesel as well as electric trains also nowadays they are using it up. Therefore diesel is used as a fuel. Simultaneously electricity is also used as a fuel for nowadays. Next one is what? Luggage carrying. To carry luggage from one place to other place. In olden days, we used to carry that particular one in the form of metal trunks. Metal trunks will be there with that particular one. They used to carry the luggage. Nowadays, if you get a metal trunk, nowadays to carry luggage from one place to other places, what they are doing it up? They are using different types of online services. They are using it up. Simply they are packing their luggage. They are not carrying the luggage total to them. They are sending it to what? Cargo. Cargo system was developed there itself. Through that one, they are supplying the particular luggage in the form of a huge bags. They are carrying it up, or in the form of packing that particular luggage within what we can call that one as boxes. Nowadays they are carrying it up, as well as VIP or a plastic briefcase also they are using to carry the luggage. Buckets as well as pails. If you go it up in olden days, they used to be wooden buckets as well as what we can call metal buckets used to be there. Very heavy metal buckets used to be there, as well as wooden buckets used to be there. But whereas nowadays we can see different types of plastic buckets as well as tubs can be seen to carry water. From one place to other places. And water storages in houses. In olden days, how they used to store water? A huge barrel, wooden barrel used to be there, or wooden buckets used to be there. Not only that one, with cement there, they used to with mud they used to construct a barrel-like structure in which they used to keep certain quantity of water. They used to store water within that particular barrels there. But nowadays, what they are using? Plastic barrels are using there itself. Plastic buckets are using, and by means of as science and technology is highly developed, they are constructing water tanks to store water within that particular one. But in olden days, that science and technology is not that much developed, but also they try to store water in wooden barrels as well as metal buckets also there. Construction purpose, if you go for construction, 30 to 40 years past, if you go it up, wood construction, by using wood they used to construct, by using clay they used to construct. By using clay instead of cement, they use clay, and they used to construct it a plaster of Paris by preparing the substances. They used to construct it up. By using stones, they used to construct. But nowadays, if you go it up, improvised material came into such as bricks. We got it up. There is a concrete material, concrete bricks also we got it up. Cement we got it up. As well as what iron rods we got it up. Different types of materials are there. By using those all different types of materials, they are constructing. They are using for what? Constructing purpose, to construct a building, etc. So on. In olden days, they use clay for the construction of small huts, as well as grass they used to keep it up, as well as wood they used to use it up to construct a hut. But nowadays, to construct a building, concrete material they are using it up. Different types of various articles are existing nowadays. By using those all various type of articles, they are constructing buildings as well as houses, in which we are living. Jewelry, coming to jewelry there itself. In olden days, jewelry used to be what? Maximum gold as well as silver they used to be there. But nowadays if you see it, more than gold, silver, platinum material also existing there, which is used for varying purposes there itself. So as the days pass on, as the days pass on, different types of various types of improvised material came into exist. Improvised material came into exist. From the nature it was extracted by man for various effects. For various purposes they have used it up. This is general concept regarding from where the articles are obtained. By this particular chart we can clearly understand that 10 years ago how that particular system was there. What are the materials people used to live lively there itself, lively for the sake of their living purpose. What are the articles they use it up, we can know it up. After that 50 years ago if you go it up, how the particular articles were there, we can easily identify what type of material they use it up to prepare those articles. 100 years past if you go it up, by using what type of articles they used to live, they used to sustain their life. We have seen it clearly. Thank you children.